I'm Dane Reid, the voiceover guy and loyal PC user, and today I'm unboxing my very first iOS device. Check me out. Yeah, new intro. Anyway, I decided to get a iOS device for a couple of different reasons. I think it's extremely useful to have some kind of tablet device that you can take with you regardless of where you are. Sometimes I'm in the car and I need to record. Android devices are not quite up to snuff when it comes to the technology that is necessary for voiceover recording and stuff like that. So I decided to get an iOS device. iOS has a number of programs on there that I use. For instance, Cubasis, which is similar to Cubase, which I use in my studio. So I got this device right here, the iPad Pro. I'm gonna show it right here, the iPad Pro. And I'm about to unbox it. I've actually had this device for a week and didn't unbox it. I wanted to do something special for you guys here. So check me out. I got my trusty unboxing knife right here. Hope that's not overkill. Here's my iPad Pro with the M1. So the M1 is an incredible technology. This chip that's in here is simply incredible. So let's see. All right. Do I need to cut something? No. Doesn't appear that I need to cut anything. Just open. Open sesame. Open. I didn't even need the knife. I need a little finesse here. That's what it is. A little finesse there. And right there, in all its glory, we have the Apple 11-inch Pro iPad. All right. I know I said the order wrong. Okay. Here it goes. Look at that. Now, I love the sound of this. I got the silver version. The sound of this, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Oh, that's so satisfying. Let's try the other side. Let's try the other side. Okay. Awesome. I'm gonna take this, toss it to the side, let Papa Smurf deal with it. All right, so here we go. Here's the iPad Pro itself. This is really, really nice hardware. I am not an iOS fan. This is iOS 15, which has all the privacy features baked into it. But this, I gotta show y'all this in this camera right here. This is quality hardware right here, okay? It just is. Even if you love Windows, if you love Android, let's be honest, this is some good stuff, okay? I'm gonna put this to the side right here. We're gonna see what else is in the box. Designed by Apple in California. Love it. American company. Big up to you guys. Even though I don't love the wall garden. These are instructions. Nobody ever reads the instructions anyway, especially men. We just open things and go right to it. Okay, now, one of the things that propelled me to get this also is USB-C. Everything in my house is USB-C, okay? I don't do anything that is proprietary or I just don't do it. My main computer is USB-C, my monitor is USB-C, I have USB-C all over, and this is actually Thunderbolt, okay? So you could see that there, both sides. You don't have to worry about which side you stick it in. It's actually more powerful than Apple's proprietary stuff that they use. So that's pretty awesome. It comes with a wall wart, thank goodness. Definitely different than the iPhone, so you get one of these in the box. All right, let's see, is there anything else? No, that's it. So, that to the side. This is the new iPad Pro 11-inch with the M1, and I'm just gonna turn this on to see if it's got any juice. Come on, Apple, give me some juice. Just a little bit of juice. No juice. I guess that concludes my unboxing because the next thing would just have to be a demonstration. All right, no, that doesn't conclude my unboxing because I didn't just get that. I'm gonna take that out of frame and I'm gonna bring this into frame. The Magic Keyboard. Now, Apple has made their own proprietary keyboard, and the idea is to make this thing feel more like a computer. If you want to make this more like a computer, Apple, you know what you can do? You can put Mac OS on this. That would make most people happy, even though I don't love Mac OS anyway, but I would just, you know, put Windows 10 on there. But anyway, Magic Keyboard. All right, and hear that? All right, open that up. Another sign that says designed by Apple in California. And then I guess this thing goes like that. You take this beautifully machined, oh, and stick it on just like that. Do you guys see that? Just stick it on just like that. Anyway, so I have big plans for this. I'm gonna put Cubasis on here. There are some video editing programs on here. And I'm also gonna put all my apps on here, take it off of my Android phone, which I have a Galaxy S10 Plus. I love that thing. But I'm gonna put all my apps here so that I can no longer have to worry about apps like Facebook, which I don't have on my phone, spying on me and sharing apps and information and stuff like that. All right. So yeah, iPad Pro 2021 M1 chip. I'm Dane Reid, the voiceover guide. If you like this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Do you have an iPad? Are you mostly an Android person? Are you a Windows person? I'll tell you before this, and I still do, I still have an Android tablet, but this is gonna be more of my utility tablet, and I'm gonna work with this most, all right? I'm Dane Reid, the voiceover guy, and I'm gone. Peace.